faster. Gonna come down? I've knocked on his door. I'm ringing his doorbell. I'm gonna honk my horn. Oh wait, I think I hear him.
It is way too late. Oh shoot. Yeah, I need a. And that's the call.
Wake up! Wake up!
I'm awake.
I'll be in the truck.
Slips on jeans. Puts on polo. Oh.
I'm gonna be right up at the front door.
Oh.
Up in.
Watch the decor.
You're on the wrong side.
Yeah, I'm a little bit sleepy. I just woke up like 30 seconds ago.
I've been up for like an hour, I think.
Boost weather. Oh my. That turbo's really screaming. Wow.
Full send. I love the all-wheel drive boosts this thing has.
Yeah, that turbo is extremely.
I'm obviously in
Full turbo, right?
Yeah. Actually, I think that's an aftermarket one.
Wow.
This thing, I'm obviously in full drive mode since it's the winter.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
But it does some great launches. I'm a different light here. See those tires, man? They're already covered in snow. Alright, lights back turn green. You ready?
Yep. Oh!
Full send.
Back my seat.
This thing sends.
Jeez.
Wow, I shift gears and my turbo is still at like max spool. I'm in like 6th gear right now.
Is that okay?
I don't know. I don't know why it's doing this.
Hopefully the turbo don't lock up or anything.
This is crazy, man.
That thing is loud.
It's dropping. Dang, this thing's loud. Oh, it's climbing. It's going back up. Oh my god, what the hell? I didn't even touch the... I'm on cruise control right now.
It's screaming.
Is this light gonna oh.
Jinxed it, man.
I can't believe an excursion get to a Civic. That's crazy.
Oh, don't rub it in, dude.
You need to race that guy again.
I swear, that thing... I swear it was aftermarket, dude. That excursion had to be.
I wonder where that guy lives. You might want to knock on his door, see if he wants to race again.
Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure he'll be up to it. Because last time, the time I asked him to for a rematch, a cop actually pulled up behind us. And we had to pull over and let the cop by because we didn't want to get arrested.
Yeah.
Because it was on a double line as well.
Dang, were you on the wrong side of the road or was he?
He was. I didn't want to make him do it. But I don't think he's going to want to go at... I don't think he'll accept another race.
You want to race this thing?
This thing of the aftermarket turbo, maybe. I'll see what the new exhaust can do in the alternator.
Yeah.
There's still a lot of work I need to do, like coils, especially for upgrade. I probably want to put like some kind of cam in it.
Yeah.
To make it not chop. That was obviously not.
Turbo's wheeling up again.
Are you sure it's healthy for this thing to be turboing a lot?
No. I hope it stops, because that's just crazy. Now there's absolutely no turbo at all. The turbo's actually doing nothing right now.
Because you're leaving on a full.
But I have a little gauge here, and the turbo for like a couple of minutes there was actually doing nothing.
Oh, there's the rumbles.
I would like to daily drive this thing though, because this thing is quite nice. It's gone. Turbo's not making any noise now. I'm just watching my turbo gauge, and it's doing absolutely nothing right now. Can't see anything. I'm glad we don't live in a hilly town like this one here. What's it called? Yeah.
That turbo is loud.
Let's turn off here. Whoa, we're full city.
none of my cars can handle that turn.
Yeah. Bit tricky, but
I always understeer into that freaking snow pile. Especially Civic, dude. I actually hit that snow pile a little bit on the bumper.
there's the racetrack. We gotta watch a race there one day. That'll be sick.
Yes. I think I know a spot.
I wonder if I do car shows down there.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Like in that car park. Actually, I wonder if it's like a car park down there, they do.
Yeah, I wonder if it's like I wonder if Dom's is like a community car show.
Dom is the type of guy to go to one of those car shows, like a 4th of July car show.
What's his hot rods, dude?
Oh. Let's drive up there.
Ooh.
Alright,
I'm going to his wall.
I'm just gonna park up right here. Alright, I'll stay in the truck.
Alright, I'll go talk to.
Yeah, it shouldn't take you long.
Ding! Yo, Dom!
Oh man! Oh! I think I just heard something. Who is it? Oh, it's him!
I'm ready to pick up my Civic.
What Civic is it? We have one Civic.
The SI. The T1.
Oh! Yep, I was just thinking that. Alright, let me go out back. Oh wait, it's the wrong room. Oh man, I'm getting a bit lost these days. Yeah, I left the keys inside the thing. Yeah, just grab the keys. Yeah. Right. You can't be back here, man.
Oh, we can't?
No, you can watch. Don't go past the tiled area. Anyways, can you just tap your credit card or use cash, whatever you want to do right here?
Oh yeah, what's my cost?
Yeah, man, just tap right here.
What's my cost?
Alright, that'll cost you $2,000, man.
Alright, that's respectful price, honestly. Thank you, and let me get the card.
Yeah, your keys, man. Let me just drive this thing out of here.
Can you get a start on this thing?
Yeah, I'll start her up. You ready?
Yep. Dang! That sounds so nice. That sounds very nice.
Alright, I'll just...
Give it a little rev.
Alright, man. I'll bring this thing back in a minute. I just gotta drive it through the alleyway here. Alright.
Oh, that's pretty good. I'll wait up front.
Let me just pull this thing up here.
Yo. This thing looks...
Alright. Oh, here are your keys for a second time.
Thank you. This thing, you did a great job.
Thanks,
You worked on
man. Yeah, I did some work. The other guy did a little bit of work as well.
Did you do the exhaust?
Yes, I did.
Dude, what kind of header did you put on this?
The ones that... Yeah.
Did you just have it laying around?
Yep, just had the mint back, you know?
I don't know, you got some good parts for sound.
Yeah, man.
I'll see you around. Thanks for
Yep.
do a handshake. Thanks for doing business.
Yep, handshakes. Yeah. Have a good day, man.
This thing's so...
Well, man, your
Riley.
Civic looks good.
Dude, you want to hear a start up on this thing? This thing sounds good. Here's a
Alright.
warm start. You ready?
Yep. Dang. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't really sleeping enough when I was in the truck, and I could hear it start up from inside, and it sounded like a beast, man. And the garage door open. Yeah, give it.
Rev right
Yeah,
here.
give it a rev. Dang, that thing sounds nice.
Yes, that's so worth it.
Yeah. So I was wondering if you wanted to race. Yeah.
Oh, sure.
These two
On
guys.
the highway.
Yeah, let's do it on the highway.
I mean, side roads.
It's like
Safe. Should
no
we
one
turn
out
left
there.
right here?
Yeah. Oh, right, I mean,
Alright, okay.
this thing's a bit big.
Oh!
Oh.
Yeah, he did not fix the steering. I forgot to mention that.
Oh my god, you're driving.
Yeah,
You might need to get some new
very
wheels.
touchy. Yes, I think these are a little bent.
Yeah.
I wonder if that's a cop down there.
Yeah, it is. Well, I don't think so, because it was there when we dropped the thing off on Wednesday. Oh, rolling.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, you're all over the road.
Yes, the alignment.
I don't even know if I think it's safe to drive.
Not always.
Oh, you straight. Oh my god, you're over the road.
Alright.
Alright.
Full send. Full send. Yeah,
Alright.
you want to do like a 30 roll or 40?
No, let's just do it. Let's start. Let's do a launch. It doesn't look like there's anyone around. I'll just go down
Yeah,
here.
let's get off this hill.
Alright. Let's start right here. Alright, let's do launches. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! We'll send.
Jane, get 1 and 2 second. Come on!
Alright, up.
VTech is kicking in.
Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm full sending. I'm nearly going 100. Oh, and he's overtaking me. I know.
Yes.
You win, man.
VTech uphill, this thing was struggling to hit VTech.
Wow, this Duramax sends. Oh my god. I'm lucky
Man.
we're lucky we just did that race.
Yes, that was barely good timing.
This thing sends still, my Duramax. I had you for a while.
You did. A long while. We were going uphill and VTech was struggling.
I think it was my launch, because this thing launched like
Yeah, I didn't get a good launch either.
amazingly.
Second.
No, I did a great launch, honestly. How's the is that thing rusty at all? Or is that like
A little bit surface, but it's actually not too bad, surprising.
I mean, it is Wisconsin, and I mean, look at the weather right now.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna watch it on, especially with that rusting.
This is some of the worst snow I've seen in my life, actually. That place has been open since 1967, as it says in the sign. So you gotta have some experience. And apparently Dom actually opened it up as well. He was like 30 years old.
That's an old turn to the right lane.
This thing struggled up that hill there. Oh.
Is this exit? Oh, it is.
Yeah, it is. You don't need your blinker.
Oh, it needs to slow down.
The whole lane just turns off.
It's a 45 zone.
Yeah, no. Well, it's recommended to go 45 around the corner.
Yeah, wow. You know the steering on this thing.
I'm probably gonna go 55. What was that? I swear I just heard a ding.
I think my exhaust was tapped. I'm not sure how low this thing goes.
Alright.
We're in the 55 zone now.
Oh, whoops, I accidentally did 55. I mean 70.
Shoot.
God, this isn't the highway. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna go down there for my cars, honestly.
Heck yes, dude.
It seems like he did a pretty good job.
We did.
Oh, that's just got traffic camera got me there. Mama, turn your fog lights off now.
Yeah.
At least that exhaust isn't as loud as it was earlier.
I really love these OEM wheels, but extremely bent.
Yeah.
Because I actually did do the paint job on them. Shoot.
I reckon everything might look good though with some Type R wheels.
Maybe. Not too sure. If I have to get reps.
Just find one at like a junkyard. Alright, well, I guess I might see you sometime future.
Yeah, definitely. Alright, see you.
Yeah, man.
Alright, I gotta put this thing away. Might give her a one last full send. Here we go. Alright, let's slow it down so I don't get miss a turn. This thing's already bad at handling. Alright. might take it as advice and maybe put like some Type R rims on it, but it may have to be reps because we never got any Type R's in the USA. Or maybe I'll get some real ones shipped here. Who knows? Girl, this thing sounds so